is such an awesome sport, guys. I'm really going to be naughty today, and I'm actually going to put some makeup on for him. I've been dying since I met him. He has this amazing long lashes, and I've always been dying to put some mascara on his lashes, and he has these lovely bushy brows, which I want to just like, I'm not going to tweeze them or anything. I'm just going to try and like shape them with some concealer and things and see what it will look like. So I'm really excited that he's agreed to let me mess with his handsome face. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to grab hold of this. Yes, you can give me some cow flutters once I'm done with you. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump in with these lovely bushy brows. I'm gonna be styling them with, where's this brush now? So I'm gonna use the Smudge Brow Fix, and I'm gonna use this spoolie brush. Going to jump in with the Revolution. This is in the shade 10. Just going to use this as a concealer.
Like Donald Trump. Bring us out.
Next, I'm going to jump in with the blush on the same palette, this darker one. Smile for me.
good smell.
Yeah. And those apples on his cheeks. I'm going to go in with the same bronzing color. Close your eyes. Too much. Just relax.
Okay.
Just relax. I want to put in your eye. You need also. This is about trust, baby. It's a trust exercise. I'm gonna take a spoolie rather. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, we just try and outline this down a bit. One side. Next, I'm going to go in with the Revolution. This is the Retro Luxe. It's actually the same color I have on. So we're going to be matchy. I'm going back in with the Spice or LA Girl Spice palette. I'm going to grab this lovely highlighter over here. I'm going to take this nice angled brush and go back in with the same highlighter. Okay, I just want to go go back in with this one. Okay. So I'm gonna add a little setting spray. This is the Aligo. It's not so citrusy. And then I'm gonna go back in with the 4-3 just to give it a little bit of a sheen. So take a nice deep breath. Okay. How does your face feel?
I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. Yeah, it was fine.
Okay, but you've been a real great sport, babe. I don't know how to feel about it because I love your handsome face, so this is interesting. You don't look bad, but it's for you to decide. And you must say what you think.
Okay.
And you guys can let us know in the comments as well what you guys think. So,
I feel like a presidential candidate. When news reporter.
so the moment of truth. Di-di-di-di.
Sure. What's that?
You can take it if you want to have a proper look. I don't know. Can you see?
Sure.
What do you think?
I can be a concert queen.
This was really interesting, guys. I've never ever done anything like this. I've never had the opportunity to apply makeup on a gentleman, so this was really fun to do. Thank you once again, babe, and thank you so much for watching the video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.